Now see here, next example. In this example, a concave mirror produces a real image of 10 millimeter tall of an object 2.5 meter tall, placed at a distance of 5 centimeter from the mirror. Calculate the focal length of the mirror and position of the image. See here, we are given here h dash, that is height of the image, here minus 10 millimeter, negative sign is because the image is real, and h height of the object is given to us, that is 2.5 millimeter, and u is given here minus 5 centimeter. Now first we have to calculate position of the image. We can use formula for the linear magnification, that is m is equal to h dash upon h equal to minus v upon u. Here h dash can be written minus 10 divided by 2.5 is equal to minus v upon minus 5, and here this we can write here the 4. So this is also cancel here. So v is equal to minus 20 centimeter. So this is the position of the image in front of the mirror. Now we can calculate focal length if we have got v. So we can use just this mirror formula, and that is 1 upon f equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u, and here this can be written 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon minus 20 minus 1 upon 5. We can take minus outside here. So 1 upon 20 plus 1 upon 5. So minus, that is here 21 plus 4, that is by taking LCM. So f is equal to minus 4 centimeter. So this is the focal length of the mirror.